So let's talk about the weather and the storm that is coming, the snow that is coming that we'll all be shoveling here. Kristin, I think probably the number one question that people have been wanting to know from the KDKA meteorologist is how much?
How much? And it's interesting because just we always say it depends on how far north, how far south, but also we have some interesting factors at play here in warm air, dry air. So we'll get to that in just a minute. We are all under a winter storm warning starting tomorrow at 1 p.m. 1 o'clock Sunday through 1 p.m. Monday. All of the pink shaded counties winter storm warning in effect. So the temperature right now is 19 degrees. We have clear skies. Everyone around the KDKA viewing area is below freezing, and we will stay there overnight and through the first half of tomorrow. You see teens up to the north, some lower 20s down to the south, 19 degrees currently in Pittsburgh. So here's Futurecast models showing for sure, wintry precipitation, snow, possibly freezing rain and sleet. This will begin around the Pittsburgh area 6 p.m. Really the entire area by 6 p.m. tomorrow will have accumulating snow. The heaviest will be tomorrow night between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. on Sunday and on Monday rather. And then the rest of Monday will still have some light snow showers even into early afternoon. Right now, clouds moving out. We have clear skies, chilly temperatures. Here's the storm down over western Tennessee, northern Arkansas. It's pulling moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, wrapping that into colder air that's in place over our area now. So for tonight, clear skies, temperatures down into the teens, possibly even the single digits up along and north of I-80. Through the morning tomorrow, nothing to worry about. There's 6 a.m. Up until noon, things stay dry. Clouds begin to build from south to north. Then by noon, 1 p.m., I-68, those of you around the Morgantown area over into Garrett County, Maryland, and just to the north, you'll start to see the first snow. By 4 p.m., it starts to move up north of I-80 and into the Pittsburgh area. Notice the pink here. This is this nose of warmer air I mentioned. That could be some freezing rain or sleet mixing in. Then by 6 p.m., everyone in the snow. But look what happens. A little nose of dry air. We call it a dry slot. This spreads across the area through the evening. But don't be fooled, there's more snow to come. Just because we have that lull doesn't mean we don't have more snow overnight, Sunday into Monday. There's 6 a.m. That wraps around into the cold air in place, and it will be all snow. So the chance for the freezing rain or sleet will be earlier tomorrow evening, and it'll be mainly south and east. The chance for ice comes with that. You see mainly from the Monongalia County, Fayette County, Somerset, Westmoreland County area. We could have a glaze or more of some ice accumulate. That's why we could have some treacherous road travel. Here is our latest thinking for projected snow totals. Generally 5 to 10, and I know that that's a wide spread, but some of the areas to the south could be on the lower end of this because of that dry slot and the freezing rain. Some areas to the north could get the higher end of these totals, and we could have some areas north in through portions of Beaver, Armstrong, Butler counties that get more than 10 inches of snow. So keep it tuned here, KDKA online, on air, our CBS weather app. We will have all the latest projections later tonight, and join meteorologist Mary Hours tomorrow morning for our updated snow total map first thing tomorrow morning. 15 tonight, it'll be clear, it'll be cold. Tomorrow afternoon and through the evening, snow develops, possibly some freezing rain in spots. Snow overnight in through Monday, and by Monday afternoon, the snow showers begin to taper off. Tuesday, 31, mostly cloudy. Wednesday, 40 with a few evening rain showers, and then the bottom falls out again. Look at these temperatures, lows in the single digits next Thursday and Friday. And our KDKA weather app, I mentioned that you can have live interactive radar, get the latest on forecast totals, all of that in the App Store and Google Play.